Hakot Appliance, and house turnover at Navana Court Subdivision, Lumbia, Cagayan de Oro. A day in my life as a real estate broker. Hi guys, I'm back and today we will be assisting our client in Navana Court Subdivision, Barangay Lumbia, Cagayan de Oro. Luckily, our client were able to avail a free two-door refrigerator in Jondorf Ventures Corporation upon reservation. And as her attorney, in fact, since our client is in Saudi Arabia, she's an OFW and her relatives are living outside Cagayan de Oro. So I am her trusted real estate broker that will be processing her house turnover, her electric and water application. So that's the convenient part if you have a trusted agent or broker, especially if you are outside the country, you can avail their additional services like accepting the unit on your behalf. So as we arrived in the subdivision, here we are in Navana, Phase 1. And my client's house is in Navana Court, which is the phase 2 part of the subdivision. This is very near to Gaisano Mall Uptown and a few more kilometers from SM Uptown. And it is very near also to Lumbia Elementary and High School and Lumbia City Hospital. And if you want a private hospital, it's also near to St. Francis Doctors Hospital, just fronting Xavier Estates. So if you are looking for a ready-to-occupy house or for rent house in Lumbia Uptown, you can contact me on the number below and I can assist you in finding your ideal property. So as we arrived in the house, my client also asked a favor for me to accept her package on her behalf from abroad. So all around Yuta as the broker and agent of the house. So again, congratulations to Miss M in her new house, in her new investment. This is a 3-bedroom house with 2 toilet and bath and with parking area. And it's already complete finished with floor tiles and partitions. And that's all. Thank you for watching.